In order to find and manage sound settings on POCO M8 Pro, you just have to open settings, then we can scroll down a little bit, and there we go. Over here we have sound and vibration. In here you can change the notification sound, the ringtone sound, and the alarm sound. Besides that, we have the adjust volume section where you can adjust the loudness for media, ringtone, and alarm, and also for notifications if you enable a certain option that I'm going to show you later. Besides that, we can find the silent mode option. We can also silence media in the silent mode, and we have the indie mode, which can be enabled and disabled, for example over here, but also we have settings for the indie mode. We also have a vibration section where we can toggle vibrations for incoming calls and also vibrations in a silent mode, and there is also the haptic feedback or touch vibrations. Besides that, we can go to sound effects and we can choose between a Dolby Atmos and the Xiaomi sound. There is also the graphic equalizer, so you can adjust audio EQ in here, There is also the immersive sound option, which can be toggled in here, and earphone controls section. And there is also additional settings, and in here we can turn on this option, control notification sounds, which separates notifications from ringtones. So when this option is off, if you don't have notification slider, you adjust the notifications volume by changing the ringtone volume. And when this option is enabled, then you can manually or separately actually change the loudness for notifications. There's also adjust media sound in multiple apps and multiple audio sources, and also some couple of different system sounds that we can easily enable or disable. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.